it's Tanya with Red Cardinal Crafts, and welcome to CRAFTMAS Day 6. Start off with our page for today. So we need a 7 by 7 piece of paper. All right, and now we're going to we need 2 pieces of paper, one for the top, one for the bottom, and I'm gonna do this and this. I think I'm gonna do the red for the top and the skiers for the bottom. So this is gonna be 6 and 7/8 by, as long as it's, I don't know, like 5 inches, that'll be fine because it's going to be tucked in behind the other paper. So 6 and 7/8. And we're going to glue this paper along the top. And this day is going to be a lot easier than day 5 was. And now we're going to do a pocket on the front here. So this is left over from when we did our 7 by 7 piece. So just take that piece that was left over, and if you don't have it, then that's 4 inches, and then this piece is going to be 7 inches. Okay, so 4 by 7. That is going to go here, but we're going to leave it open right along here because the 6 geese a-laying are going to sit in there. So let's just do glue down on the bottom, glue up at the top, and we'll just come over about an inch or so. All right, and then lay that down. And now we need paper for on there. So this piece needs to be 6 and 7/8. I'm going to start with the shorter measurement first. So 3 and 7/8. 6 and 7/8 is the width. And that's going to go right on there. So you can put glue all over this one, like that. And then we are going to glue down our number. So it's day 6. So it's going to go right over here. All right, and then just for time's sake, I already went and cut out the 6 geese a-laying. So there's this piece and this piece. I backed it with black. And this is going to go in this pocket that we made. So it's going to be the 6 geese a-laying. So put that in the pocket first. Just make sure that that's all glued and down and it's not going to get on our card. So 6 geese a-laying right like that. And then we're going to put these guys right in the front. Hi, it's Tanya from the future again. When you're putting glue on the back of these, just make sure it's just on the kind of the bottom half of them. And when you place it down, move it a little over closer to the number 6 than I'm doing it here. I eventually go back and fix this when I finish the album, but the guy on the right, his face keeps getting caught on the 5 golden rings when I open and close the book. So it's clean, there's no glue sticking to this tag, so just be careful with that. So sit it down to like line it up as to where they're going to sit, and then take it out when you glue it down, because you don't want to get it stuck to the tag like that. And you don't want them too close to that edge. All right, and now we're going to do a little journaling block down here. So this is 4 inches, and we will do 4 by 2. Oh, my blade's getting dull. And that's gonna go right there. And then we'll do a piece of patterned paper on top of that. 2 7/8 by 3 7/8. And that's gonna go right on there. And then we'll do another piece of black. 3 3 3/4. It's like, whoa, by 1 1/4. No, 3 3/4 by 1 3/4. There we go. 3 3/4 by 1 3/4. And I don't like that polka dot paper, so I'm gonna switch it. I don't know, I just didn't like that combo. So now we do the black piece of paper on top of it, and then we'll do a piece of white. And that's gonna be 1 5/8 by 3 5/8. And I'm gonna do another one of those little flag things for this one. What do we need? I want to put it over here. So we need like 2 inches by 3/4 of an inch by, I'm going to do 2.5 inches. So I'm going to take a piece of pattern paper, 7/8 of an inch by 2 1/4. Pick it up. I just felt there wasn't anything going on in that top corner. So just leave an edge around it. Like that, and then we'll just put that there, and that'll be cute. Ooh, maybe I like it like that. That way, or this way. I think I like this. All right, so I'm just gonna stick that on there, and now we will add page 6. So now we're just going to put glue on this one little flap here. So now what we can do on the back of the geese is we can put a piece of paper, if you would like, and just a white piece. 2 3/4 by 3 3/4. There, and that'll just go right like that. There we go. And this will just pop back in there. And we're done. All right, so we've got 6 geese a-laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. All right, thank you so much for joining. I hope everyone is safe, happy, and healthy, and I'll be back with some more videos soon. All right, take care, guys. See you tomorrow.